Hi everyone, my name is PDC, also known as the Pyruvate Dehydrogenase Complex. My shape looks like a 12-sided die, and I am made out of a group of 3 subunits to help me do my job in your cells. I help make sure that you can get energy from the cheeseburgers, spaghetti, or any other foods you eat. After you swallow a cheeseburger, enzymes in your stomach break it down into smaller parts. Afterwards, we are stuck with the simple sugar called glucose. In a process called glycolysis, your cells break down glucose into pyruvate. We also make a little bit of ATP, which can be directly used for energy. Pyruvate is then moved to the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, responsible for producing energy so you can run, jump, and play. I grab the pyruvate and chop some of it off, producing carbon dioxide, which you then breathe out. After a couple of modifications, I release acetyl-CoA and some energy in the form of NADH. The acetyl-CoA is further broken down in the mitochondria by my friend, the electron transport chain, producing ATP, the primary energy source for our cells. Without me, very little acetyl-CoA can be produced, which means that there is not a lot of ATP. Therefore, you'd be really tired if I was not around, as your body would primarily rely on the ATP solely produced from glycolysis. My activity is downregulated by the action of the kinases, which is a protein that adds a phosphoryl group on me. This messes up my structure so I can't function normally. My normal activity can be returned by phosphatase, which can remove the phosphoryl group. The phosphatase and kinase are regulated by changes induced by a variety of different molecules, including insulin. If I am not functioning properly and working hard to break down pyruvate, glucose will build up in your blood, raising your blood sugar. You will also not be able to process enough glucose in your brain in order for your nerves to fire, leading to difficulties with activities such as motor control and solving problems. Long story short, my function is essential for your survival, so I hope you learned something about me during this video. It was nice to meet you, and stay cool.